Hey guys, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan. I wanted to get on here real quick and explain to you why I would never buy a supplement on Amazon or eBay, okay? We have this happen at least once a week, it seems like, with patients or friends. It's insane, you guys. Here is an Apple study from CBS News. It's called, "Is This the Rotten Truth About Apple Products on Amazon?" So literally what they found through this, they bought a bunch of supposedly Apple products from Amazon, and this is October 20, 2016 from CBS News. 90% of the Apple products that they bought on Amazon, 90% of them were actually not Apple brand, okay? This happens all the time, you guys. A lot of the supplements we carry here at Synergy Wellness are actually only available through healthcare providers. So if you find these on Amazon or eBay, it's more than likely an expired product. It's way overpriced. It was somebody's used bottle. It could be a counterfeit product. But here's the other thing. If actually some of these companies find these on Amazon, that doctor will lose their account because a lot of these companies we use, you can only get through a healthcare provider. So if they end up on one of those avenues, it's either not the product, expired, or illegal, basically. So never buy anything on Amazon or eBay, you guys. 90% of the Apple products, like I said, are not even Apple. So that's just one study, but this happens all the time. Don't trust these companies, these big companies, with your nutritional products. Even if they're a little bit cheaper, we don't know where it's been. Maybe it's been sitting in a hot garage for a while, so it's lost its therapeutic properties. So it's just a bad idea, guys. We get them direct from the manufacturers, direct from the farms in many cases. So don't trust things online. We make sure that it's 100% safe and controlled and therapeutic for you so that we can make sure we're still getting those phenomenal results that most of our products provide you guys. Thanks a lot.